I have a Magic Chef forced air furnace with AC from the 1980s in my condo. Last year the air blown when on AC stopped coming out cold. Heat works fine. I would like to get it repaired, but I am unable to locate a separate/outdoor condenser unit anywhere on the property, and have been told that my particular furnace does not need one. There is a copper pipe that runs from the furnace to the water heater closet for condensation, and began expelling a large amount of water. The air stopped blowing cool. Also, the furnace has started to run on its own for short periods of time during neutral temps. I need to figure out exactly how my system works before I call a repairman. Thank you.
Hello. If you can attach enough photos of the equipment that you can find, taken from about 10 feet away, that will help. Take the photos from greatly different angles so that I can see everything. Use the paperclip icon at the right end of the toolbar for that, or the Attach Files link to the left of your Send button. We can go from there.
The furnace is in a crawl space above my bathroom, so I did the best I could with photos. I would also like to note that my condo is in a converted historic schoolhouse, with about 30 units. Not all units have air conditioning, or the same type of heating/cooling system. Thank you.
Thanks for the great pictures. All of that is a gas furnace, no sign of any air conditioning. Look for the following: exactly, 1/3/8 odd copper tube, taped to much larger black foam rubber insulated tube about 3/4 of an inch odd, and originating from one end or the other end of the furnace. An attachment box with a big cooling coil inside. I see no sign of it in those photos. It is generally not a difficult add-on though. See what you can find, we can go from there.
Okay, I think this is it. Unfortunately, I can't get a better look at it without removing ductwork. Plus, the space is less than 5 feet high. I've done more research that indicates a cooling fan can be added/retrofitted to a heating unit. So I'm assuming that is the type of system I have.
Thanks. http://screencast.com/t/y2bz4v7. The easiest way to handle this is for you to call an HVAC contractor and ask for a free estimate on air conditioning. Then when the man gets there, ask him to show you around. If you call a repair service, they will charge you a minimum $100 or more. Regarding add-on conditioning, there are probably at least 10 million those in the US. It is entirely common, and all HVAC contractors have a brand or two they sell. Most will give you a free estimate when they arrive to see what you have already in place. If you can tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest city, I will get you a short list of the well-rated HVAC contractors. We can go from there.
I live in Worcester, Massachusetts. Thank you for your help. I wanted to have an idea as to what I was dealing with before I brought a professional in.
Hello, this is one of the largest in the area, and still in business. That speaks well for them. Their rating was 4.8 out of 5 stars. http://www.hvacexperts.com/ go there and click the estimates link near the top of the page. Type the following in the comments box. My central heat system seems like it cooled well in the past but not now. It looks to be older. I need someone to show me around and tell me what needs to be repaired or replaced, and provide an estimate. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.